It's out. It is finally out, man. Holy hell. Whew. Those things do not get light. But look. They look like complete same transmissions. Technically they are, but hold on, let me breathe. Holy hell. Whew. Those things are not light. But this is a 2-wheel drive. That's the 4-wheel drive one. I think the only thing difference is just these shafts here. Oh, let me bring it closer. See, this one's shorter. This one's really longer. I think that's all I really need to change for this. Then I should be good to go. If you want to know what the inside looks like, this is what it looks like. This is the torque converter. It goes inside the transmission. I didn't take it out because I stripped the bolt around right here. I showed you in previous videos. But yeah, that's why I didn't take it out.